Everything that lives on Earth poos in some way, and that's how the cycle happens each and every day. Just look at the green grass and the birds up in the sky. It's all here because of poo. Now I'll tell you this is it by women and men. Fuses with their bodies, becomes poo again. And the poo goes through the sewer, where it's dumped into the sea, and it's eaten by the plankton, becomes the fish's meat. Then that bigger fish with the poo still inside swims up near the shore and gets eaten alive.
Get up,
by
fucking
grizzly
camera
bear
away.
that
Tell him
poos
there,
on
Brown Bird.
the
I like him, get out,
dead.
man.
Get out there.
Get out.
No, wait.
Get out.
He's down. Calm down, Brown Bird. Calm now, Brown Bird.
Poo of the antelope, the poo of the giraffe, it falls into the earth and becomes a blade of grass. The grass is eaten by the cattle, which comes at the other end to make food for the humans and start all over again. You see, son, you're not an insignificant part of life. You are life.
But how can I be that giraffe and blade of grass and a human? I don't control what they do.
Just like your heart beats without you thinking about it, so too your giraffes and your humans do what they do without you even thinking about it. But it is all one life form. You.
I think I see now.
I'm the poo.
Brown Bird. Brown Bird.
Becomes the grass.
Are we safe tonight? Will survive?
Turn around.
The bird has flown. Shut straight.
Becomes dinner for the humans and turn back to poo again. That's the cycle of poo.
Still.